I just realized I was filming this entire thing in slow-mo. So, here's the thing, and technology is hard. So yeah, I poured this about a week ago with some TotalBoat thickset Fathom, and I made this awesome mold. It's an amazing mold. It's such a good mold. It was so good, it didn't want to come off. So I feel dumb, but we're gonna go with it because this is what happens sometimes. I don't feel dumb for what I did. For like how I was in the wrong setting on the camera. I don't feel dumb about that because that just happens. I feel dumb because I didn't use mold release, and I was just hoping whether you learn. So anyways, I called out my friend Keith from Anthony's Artismos and asked people if they thought that my form was better or his forms were better. People said mine. I don't agree with people. So, let's finish getting this off, getting this out, and it's nice that I can actually talk to you now. Try and save some footage and show you some stuff.
Welcome to my party, we're just getting started. A life is a dream or a nightmare scarring. Hand me a drink cause I think I'm going all in. Get me a shrink who can catch me when I'm falling. Cover up my scars, flip the handlebars. Crashing in my car, wake up in a bar. I'll be a superstar, just on my avatar. This world is so bizarre, empty out the reservoir. Yeah, I'm taking 6 shots, yeah, straight to the face. And I wanna get lost, I'm sick of this place. Don't know how to stop when I'm feeling this way. So I'm taking 6 shots till I'm feeling okay. I think I'm going crazy, don't think I'll get home safe. So I'm taking 6 shots all straight to the face. I'm taking 6 shots, are you coming with me?
No safe place to put your hands. No safe places. Ooh. Oh, that's pretty. Look at that. Oh, that is so pretty. All right, let's get this off. It's weird that it didn't stick there, but it stuck there. What's the difference? Okay, safe spot for hands. Should probably be wearing gloves. Not wearing gloves. I want to get all these nails out. I feel once I get the pieces with the nails out, I can throw this through the planer and it'll be better. I think we're looking pretty good. That's a bad idea. Okay, let's cut it. That was cool. That just like bucked out of there. Just get this cleaned up a little bit and I'll start throwing it through a planer. Look at how pretty it is though. Super, super pretty. All right, Well, there you go, Keith. Maybe I should get a form. That might be better. But I have a little bit resin to pour, just to fill a couple of these little holes and these little things. So gonna mix up some of that and pour some more TotalBoat. So affiliate code down below. Get yourself some TotalBoat and do a better job than me when making your forms. Maybe use mold release. That'd be a smart idea. So I have no idea what I'm gonna be making out of this. So if you have an idea, a thought, you know, let me know. Hit me up in the comments. It's 11 by 14.5 by just over an inch right now. Might lose a little bit of thickness to deal with that. But anyways, thanks for watching me struggle through demolding and not knowing what buttons to push on the camera. That's life. So y'all have a wonderful day. See you next time. God, poor life choices. Poor life choices. Seriously. Dummy.